Peace, love and blessings, y'all. We're Shaking Bacon. It's your brother Key coming at you with some live and direct love. So today, I will be doing a do-it-yourself headlight fixing repair. I will be repairing my front headlight, and it's actually, this is only one side. This is the driver's side. I'm actually going to be repairing the driver's side and the passenger side, but the passenger side has a small crack in the bottom, so I have to really repair like the crack first before actually shining it back up. So before I do that, I actually wanted to test the driver's side first and see how it turns. This is everything I will be using. So I will have 300 grit, 2000, 1500, and 600. I did see people say that they just want to, like they've just used 6, 5, 15, and 3000 or 25. But I like to make sure that that the job is thorough, and I'll probably be okay after the 6 and 15. But just in case, I want to make sure that, because these are the headlights. Like all those little lines are completely out. And even that little streak, that looks like it looks like it was a crack, but it's not. And I just want to make sure I get all around the edges. So, and also what I'll be using is a spray bottle so I can lubricate the sandpaper and the headlights. Also, this is something that I got online. It is actually called the Headlight Restoration 3mm. And what I like about it is you can just pop it into this right here. You don't need a buff machine. Alcohol to clean it after each time to get like all the sand. Paper towel, and this is to clip the sandpaper into it. So yeah. Let's get started. finished product. I think they look almost brand spanking new. Like they're pretty clear. Like you can see that glisten, ooh. That's pretty clear if I say so myself. I didn't take a before picture, but I'm pretty sure you can rewind back to the video and you can see. So yes, y'all, this is how I did it. And yeah, I'll link, I guess, some of the products that I used. I'm not getting paid for that, but I'll put y'all on. And yeah, so that is headlight restoration, passenger side. No oxidation, get in your ride. Stay blessed and less stress. Peace.